Hey guys, I'm Ethan Moore from Stockholm Supply, and today I want to talk about the awl slide and where you can mount it on your table saw. Now right now, if you look at my machine here, this is a Delta Unisaw. I've removed the cast iron wing on the side and I've bolted it directly to the table saw like that, and that gets the awl slide nice and close to the blade. Now I could have left the wing right here on the machine and mounted on the outside, and that will give me more space here, which is not quite as convenient, but it lets me leave my saw as it is. Now, removing the wing, I've sacrificed some of my table width on this side, because this awl slide is only 6 inches wide, where that original wing is 8 inches. Now, one thing that you can do that's kind of the best of both worlds here, it keeps your awl slide nice and close to the blade, but also increases your table width here for more support. You can actually mount your cast iron wing on this side of the awl slide. Now I want to show you guys how to do that. So we're going to go through that process here and get this mounted. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is actually remove the awl slide here. Now leave the mounting brackets in place, but we're just going to unbolt the awl slide from the bottom, because we actually need to insert some additional bolts so we can mount those additional mounting brackets. So I'll go ahead and do that. Okay. Okay, so if we flip this over, you'll notice we have 6 different bolts in there right now. What we're going to have to do is double those up so that we have 12 bolts in there total. Because if I don't put these in now, I won't be able to put them in after it's assembled. So we got to make sure those bolts are in place before we do anything else. So we're just going to roughly put them in place, just kind of pair them up like that, and then we can go ahead and bolt the awl slide back in position where it just was. Okay, so before you tighten up the awl slide, just make sure that you got this miter slot parallel with this guy. So that's what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm going to tighten that up. Okay, so now we got the awl slide back in position, and we can go ahead and prepare our wing to mount it to the outside of this. So what I find to be easier is actually mounting these brackets to the wing before I mount the brackets to the awl slide here. So we'll mount these in place, and we're going to keep this edge right there approximately an 1/8 inch below the top of the table here. So we'll put them in place, we'll get our nut and our washer, and we're just going to finger tighten these for now. Okay, now that we got these brackets in position, we can go ahead and do the hard part. So these cast iron wings can be quite heavy, so this next part, you're either going to want a support stand of some kind to help you keep it in position while you bolt it up, or a buddy to help you keep this in the right place. I'm going to use the stand here, and actually let me put the stand under the wing here first, and hopefully this will just help me position this wing. We're going to slide it down underneath, and we're going to need to line up those bolts we put in at the very, very beginning here. So I'm going to bolt one side up and then work on the others here. So we'll start on this left side. So we're going to leave everything finger tight for now. Okay, so we got all the bolts in. So once you're confident they're all finger tight and not going to come off, you can pull your support stand out. And now, of course, everything is loose at the moment, so nothing's tightened up. But you can see even already, this isn't going to have a lot of support on this side. So what we're going to have to do next, before we align things, it really doesn't matter, I just find it easier to do before, is we're going to mount a leg on the outside here. So when you're going to mount a leg, you can either make a leg yourself. Now we do sell these telly legs here, and they work really nice because they're very easy to adjust and easy to mount. And because they have a nice wide foot on the top and bottom, while you could have two legs, put one on each side, and of course they'll go on the inside here, you actually only need one. Which is what I'm going to do, is I'm going to mount a single leg right in the center of my wing. So I'm going to have to bolt it in place here. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to mark the holes. I'm going to drill the holes, and then we'll go ahead and bolt it on there. I'm just going to mark the holes here. Now I'm going to mark them on the outside, and then I'm going to mount the leg actually on the inside here. The top of my casting is about 3/16 thick or so. My holes, I'm going to use 5/16 bolts to mount them. So my holes are 3/8 actually in this. So I've got a little bit of wiggle room. So I'm just going to mount these, or mark these here. And what I'll probably do, I marked all 4 holes here. I think I only need 2 bolts to mount it. I'll use the 2 center bolts to mount it here. I'm going to touch it a little bit.
There's, oh no, I was gonna say there's spray.
So what I'm actually going to do is bolt the hardware to the table first, and then I'm going to bolt the leg to the back of the hardware here. We got that sewed up. We'll just lower the leg for now. So the next thing we need to do, as you can see, that is nowhere near level. We are going to level this out, and I'm going to use a little trick with a piece of MDF that we can bolt down, and that will help us get it very close to perfectly aligned. So I got this MDF across here, so what I'll do is I'll clamp this side that's loose to the MDF, and that'll ensure everything is flat and parallel all the way across here. So let me just clamp that down. Okay, so now that we have this level all the way across here, and I could double check with a straight edge, which I will. We'll make sure this leg is touching the ground nicely here. Okay, yeah, I should get my straight edge out. Okay, right there looks good. So we'll go ahead and tighten it up here. So that's how you mount the all slide in between your table saw and your cast wing, and this kind of gives you the best of both worlds, where you have the all slide nice and close to your blade, but also you have all that additional table on this side of the blade for support. So using just one leg definitely works. If you decided, you could use 2, or you could build the legs yourself. But yeah, if anybody else has any questions, you could email me at info@stockmansupply.com, or just comment on the video. Thanks for watching.